Hello, I am Tanish Tejas VMS.
I am Varun R. Shastri.
And I am Lohitas.
And we are from Grade 9 Excel Public School, Mysore. Climate change is a problem that affects the entire world. One of the significant contributors to climate change is the release of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. As the global economy rebounds from the COVID 19 crisis, carbon emissions have increased dramatically, reaching an all time high of 36.3 billion tons in 2021. These emissions are the direct result of human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, industrial processes, and deforestation. These activities lead to the global warming, which causes various negative effects on the environment, including more frequent and intense droughts, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans.
Our daily activities, such as the food we eat, the way we travel, and the products we buy, all contribute to our personal carbon footprint. Many people find it challenging to adopt a carbon neutral lifestyle due to lack of understanding and awareness about climate change and its effects. It's essential to recognize that every individual contributes to global warming. To help reduce our carbon footprint, we have come up with a solution, a mobile application that consists of two components, the mobile app and bot app.
The mobile app's purpose is to assist the user in entering text data throughout the day, prompting the user to answer some general questions at predetermined intervals. This information will be added to a common database that the bot app can access.
The software regularly reminds the user to provide essential information about their daily activities, such as food, travel, and groceries.
The bot app analyzes this data and predicts the carbon output of the user, giving voice enabled solutions.
Hi there. Based on my analysis, I've noticed that you consume a lot of electricity. Would you like some suggestions on how to reduce your electricity consumption?
Yes.
One easy way to reduce electricity consumption is to turn off the lights when natural light is sufficient and when you leave the room. Do you currently use LED light bulbs?
No.
I suggest switching to LED bulbs. They are more efficient and emit less carbon than traditional incandescent bulbs.
Okay.
In future, we plan to enhance the app's robustness by adding more data for analytics, increasing the speed of conversation, and adding extra features such as credit point system that rewards the users who follow the app's input and reduce their carbon emissions. We would like to thank our mentor Gopinath sir and school for guiding us through each step of the process. And we are excited to continue developing and improving the app to help people reduce their carbon footprint.